Ooh, it's my hand. All right, so today is definitely a bit more of an ADHD day. Still soaking pistons, still cleaning pistons. Where are they at? That one is soaking. I just do one at a time so I don't get all over the place. Here's the LS covered up. We're gonna give it a minute, but what we're gonna do in the meantime is we'll take a second. This is the seized engine, but it's got a good intake. So I'm gonna pull this intake today because we're gonna put it on here for when we put this in the blue truck. Now, the reason being is this is set up for a Rochester. And I've got actually a Demon carb I'm gonna put on it to see how it runs. I also brought another set of valve covers down, have another oil pan for this. Again, I don't have the gaskets for the intake now, but for the time being, we'll do this. I've also got to bring it back to top dead center before I take it apart and go from there. Look at wires, woo! Yum, yum. Oh, what is this, fellow? This is probably the oil pressure gauge right here. Yep, PSI to wheel. Oh, there we go. Look, it's even hooked up. I don't know what's going on with this engine. I don't know, man. Look, it's clean in there, which is one of the craziest parts. I think, you know, it was just a victim of sitting. So we'll see what's under this intake as well. It'll be a good point of reference to see what's going on. I mean, someone took the time to, you know, cap the distributor hole nice and perfect. Like, you know, I can never find these actually for my gas can, so that's another one of those. This is quite the periscope. You can tell it was in a mud truck by the size of these things. Well, I haven't taken it off apparently. It's the same. Yeah, like, they're clean. Yeah. What are you for? Okay. Cue Super Mario Brothers music. I don't think we can use that, but it would be hilarious. You can imagine it, I guess. Just think, do 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 do. Gentle. Oh, look, it's become powder. What's this all caught up in now? Good Lord, how much wire. And there we go. Bottom side doesn't look horrible. Anyway, that's an easy clean on this side. We'll blast this whole thing out. We'll get all this junk off. Maybe this is something that was broken. Probably one of these, also broken. And we're not using this again anyway, though. What's on the front of this one? Oh, we're not using that either. Find one. You can't really see the lobes and it doesn't turn over anyway. There's a lot of rust in there. Is this a boat motor by any chance? There's sand in the back one. What the heck? Oh yeah, look at this. The lift, I don't know if you can. The lifters are solid rust. I wonder what the pistons show underneath this. It's a mess. Big ol' mess. But it doesn't mean it can't be saved. Okay, we'll get into this later. But for now, slide her back to where she goes. Oop, hit that fan. Bring it forward. Backwards. What I hit? What am I hitting? Oh, I'm hitting a nut. Ooh, hi. I gotta change something up. But first. Okay, back to a regular camera style. We have everything in. And she's turn it over. There. Perfect. All right. I don't even know what I'm doing next for this today. I can do the cam, but I might wait. I had a plan. I don't remember my plan now. I will check. Be right back.